morning to all. This is Sanjotika from 9th E. These are my students. Okay. First of all, I wishes on the occasion of 71st anniversary of the adoption of Constitution of India to all of you. It was 71 years ago on 26th November 1949 we the people of India adopted and gave to ourselves the Constitution. Constitution simply means a set of rules by which the government rules of our country. The Constitution determines the right of citizens, the power of government, and how the government should function. Okay, I would like to tell Constitution of India. Constitution of India start with the preamble with the phrases "We the people" and talks about the values of the Constitution, which are equality, liberty, secularism and fraternity. Our India Constitution is one of the longest constitution in the world. Indian Constitution consists of 465 articles, 12 schedules and 22 amendments. And okay, 1,46,385 words in it. The Constitution of India is very unique all over the world, and it took almost 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to pass by the Constituent Assembly. The Constitution of India is the longest handwritten constitution of any country on earth. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic, republic and welfare state committed to secure liberty and equality for the people. Declaration of Constitution Day. Okay, Constitution Day, also known as Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated in India on 26th November every year to the adoption of the Constitution of India. The Government of India declared 26th November as Constitution Day on 19th November 2015 by a notification. The Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi made the declaration on 11th October 2015 while laying the foundation stone of Bhimrao Ambedkar Statue of Equality Memorial in Mumbai. The year of 2015 was the 125th birth anniversary of Ambedkar, who, being the chairman of the Constituent Assembly, played a significant role in the drafting of the Constitution of India. 26th November was chosen to spread the importance of the Constitution and to spread thoughts and ideas of the Ambedkar. Previously it was known as Law Day also. Importance of Constitution Day. Okay, Constitution Day of India aims to bring awareness on the importance of Indian Constitution and its architect Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar. The purpose of celebrating the Constitution Day is to make the citizens aware of the Constitution, spread the importance of the Constitution of Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar and his ideals. Constitution Day is a matter of national pride for all Indians. As Indians, we must be aware of our Indian Constitution and its day attempts to generate the awareness in us. Importance of Constitution for Indians. Every year, the National Constitution Day inspires us to know our Constitution and understand its importance. As a Constitution is important because it ensures that those who make the decisions on behalf of the public fairly represent public opinion. The Constitution contains the most important rules of our political system. It protects the right of the people inside the country and it explains their obligations. The Constitution declares India a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and assuring its citizens justice, equality and liberty. Constitution performs an important role guarding human rights as speech and expression, freedom to travel, freedom to choose, freedom of religion. The most important purpose of constitution as it draws a limit on the power of the government by outlining a framework with which the government must function. Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, also the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee. His tremendous hard work in the drafting committee of the Constitution, he also earned him the Supplicant Father of the Constitution. Okay. Conclusion. In conclusion, I would like to say the celebration of the Constitution Day is essential because it motivates us to be aware of our Constitution, what are our rights, rules and obligations, how government rules and functions, how Constitution affects our in everyday life. Okay. Simplify a country is run by the government, judicial bodies, its people and most importantly by the constitutions only. A country is run by a government. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.